If you are constantly receiving this message, SHAREit keeps stopping, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so mostly you will receive this error when you open this app to share files. If you are receiving this, it means there is a glitch that needs to be fixed, or there is an update that you need to update your app to. So first we shall begin by fixing a glitch and then check for an update. To fix any glitch with your app, just long press on your app and you should see app info or a settings gear here, or the name of the app. If you tap on any of this will take you to SHAREit app info page. Alternatively, you can access the SHAREit app info page by going to settings. So if you go to settings here, go down to apps and then manage apps or all apps option. And here, just search for your app. So I'll just search for SHAREit like that. And if I tap on it, we are on the app info page. First, force stop the app and then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Then restart your smartphone and try and see if everything has been fixed. If you still experience this, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and here search for your app. Here it is. If there is any update, update your app to the latest version. If your app still stops, then it means your app contains bugs. For that, you need to uninstall your app. So just uninstall your app and then install it afresh. Now, once the app is installed, you can open it. And as you can see, now the problem has been fixed. So that's how you can fix SHAREit app keeps stopping. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.